Hawaii, I hope you are all well. I am Chief Standing Bearer of the Osage Nation. Wherever you may be, the coronavirus known as COVID-19 is a threat, and in some places, people have come down with this illness. Here in Osage Nation, we have not yet had a confirmed case of COVID-19 within our territory, but it comes closer every day. For weeks, there have been meetings with our Emergency Services Department, program managers, and medical personnel. 2 weeks ago, we issued travel restrictions to our employees. The meetings resulted in new proposals and actions. I fully expect further actions as we progress through this time period of the COVID-19. The key is to be flexible and to react with medical advice as our guide. Yesterday, March 16, 2020, I issued an executive order activating a pandemic prevention and recovery process protocol. This action further restricts travel of employees, requires employees' safety precautions which minimize physical contact, and requires sanitary procedures. We intend to keep the Osage Nation open to respond to the constituents' needs during this difficult period. This executive order also makes provision for working from home to carry out the business of the Osage Nation to the best of our ability. Primary among our essential services is the Osage Health Center here in Pawhuska, Oklahoma. I've authorized any employment action which supports the emergency hiring of health professionals and staff to beef up our response efforts under the leadership of our Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Ron Shaw. New protocols have been put into place to safely care for those who need it. The coronavirus hotline for the Osage Nation is 918-287-0028. This is the number you should call to reach our medical personnel. As a backup, you may use the regular phone number of 918-287-9300. Other programs of the Osage Nation have been closed while others remain open. Most importantly, our immersion school, the Depaska Onkotapi, and our Wajaje Early Learning Academy are now closed. We have made a new policy allowing employee parents or caregivers to work from home and care for the children. Any employee who needs to work from home to care for their children or is otherwise seeking to work from home must receive the permission of their supervisors. All employees who work from home, even if the Osage Nation is required to close, will receive full pay and benefits until further notice. The Osage Nation Constituent Services phone number is 918-287-5555 or toll-free 1-800-320-8742. This is the number you will call for emergency financial assistance, Osage license tags, HR department, membership office, and other programs. To contact the Osage Nation Police or local law enforcement, dial 911. We thank our employees who are stepping up to serve the people. Vacations and leaves have been canceled, especially among our health workers. The people appreciate and honor them for their service. This time will pass, and then we will return to our routines. But let's make this time a special time to work together in prayer and action. So when we do return to our normal activities, we will do it with more confidence that we can trust each other and our neighbors. On behalf of the Osage Nation, I wish you all the best and urge that we make every effort to take care of one another. Ia gashina.